With hard work and effort, you can achieve anything. Antoine Griezmann. Without hard work, nothing grows but weeds. Gordon B. Hinckley. Work harder than you think you did yesterday. Alex L. Winners embrace hard work. They love the discipline of it, the trade-off they are making to win. Losers, on the other hand, see it as punishment, and that's the difference. Lou Holtz. Hard work is an essential element in tracking down and perfecting a strategy or in executing it. Charlie Munger. Luck is great, but most of life is hard work. Yang Duncan Smith. Work and you'll get what you need. Work harder and you'll get what you want. Prabhakaran Tirumalai. Hard work is a prison sentence only if it does not have meaning. Once it does, it becomes the kind of thing that makes you grab your wife around the waist and dance a jig. Malcolm Gladwell. Hard work compounds like interest, and the earlier you do it, the more time you have for the benefits to pay off. Sam Altman. It's not about money or connections. It's the willingness to outwork and outlearn everyone. Mark Cuban. I'm a great believer in luck, and I find the harder I work, the more I have of it. Thomas Jefferson. Great things come from hard work and perseverance. No excuses. Kobe Bryant. Plans are only good intentions unless they immediately degenerate into hard work. Peter F. Drucker. A lot of hard work is hidden behind nice things. Ralph Lauren. Men die of boredom, psychological conflict, and disease. They do not die of hard work. David Ogilvy. Go to the end, O sluggard, consider her ways, and be wise. Proverbs 6:6 ESV. I never took a day off in my 20s, not one. Bill Gates. Talent means nothing, while experience, acquired in humility and with hard work, means everything. Patrick Suskind. Hard work spotlights the character of people. Some turn up their sleeves, some turn up their noses, and some don't turn up at all. Sam Ewing. Determine never to be idle. No person will have occasion to complain of the want of time, who never loses any. It is wonderful how much may be done if we are always doing. Thomas Jefferson. No one understands and appreciates the American dream of hard work leading to material rewards better than a non-American. Anthony Bourdain, Kitchen Confidential. Happiness is the real sense of fulfillment that comes from hard work. Joseph Barbara. If your dream is a big dream, and if you want your life to work on the high level, you say you do. There's no way around doing the work it takes to get you there. Joyce Chapman. Talent is cheaper than table salt. What separates the talented individual from the successful one is a lot of hard work. Stephen King. A sign of a hard worker is one who works without complaint. Sarah Price.